Hi folks, thanks for watching this Akiya renovation here in rural Japan. There's lots of cool changes coming along. The house is coming towards an end, the renovation. Right now it's about mid-June, actually I should say June 9th specifically. And so supposedly the renovation is going to be done July 9th. And so July 9th to the 15th, we're planning a open house, and possibly I'll be doing the streaming at that time. So please stay tuned. If you would like to tune in one of those days, let me go ahead and turn around the camera and give you an update of what's going on in the house. The workers are hard at work right now. We have a little bit larger than usual crew. We have the concrete crew, the carpenters, the electricians just left. Anyway, so we have a lot of activity going on. So just please stay tuned. Thanks. All right, so let me go ahead and walk up to the house real quick and walk around and try not to bother these guys while they're hard at work. But as you can see, you have the typical K trucks. Well, the one in the back is mine over there, but 1, 2, 3, all beautiful white color K trucks. I've covered it before. I have a Sandbar Subaru 1993. That K truck is just absolutely awesome. All right, let me go ahead and make it through here. So they're finishing up the pantry, or as a subscriber suggested, I should call this the kitchen annex, because basically it's an extension to the kitchen for different items such as rice cookers and stuff like that. It's not just the spices and stuff like that. We're going to make it through here. All right, so a lot of activity going on. So they have put the Shikkui on this part of the ceiling and part of the wall as well. We got some Shikkui going on there. And this little piece, part of it is going to be chopped off. If anyone was wondering why it's so long, or probably like a section like that is going to be cut off. Yeah, so he's over here working on the sheetrock, finishing up the kitchen area, and they're in the kitchen annex, and they keep calling it, right? All right, so this is the Shikkui walls right here, nice white plaster. Now, these guys right here is the normal crew. There's Kayaki-san's carpenters and the like the concrete folks and stuff like that. They kind of come and go. They're not the regular. I think they're just like subcontractors for him. He's over here working on the loft. Madatsui. Madatsui. もっと暑いでしょ。Okay, so a little bit earlier he was complaining that it's hot up there. So yeah, so obviously there's no electricity, and I mean there's no air conditioning or anything here, so it's kind of hot. Hopefully you could hear me through all the noise, but I kind of wanted to take a video with all the noise so you can get an idea of the feeling of a construction site. Yeah, so this right here is the hanging loft. And you can see right there, they pretty much attached the loft to the original beams of the house right there, made it lower. And then there's going to be some rails right here on both ends. But basically the loft overlaps the bedroom where I'm at right now and the tiny room over there. The entrance to the loft is not the easiest. I was just talking to one of the guys a minute ago. Said that the Shikkui, the plaster goes pretty quick. So that portion that I just showed a minute ago, he said that only took about 30 minutes, which, wow, is pretty fast. Let me go ahead and show The little cubbyhole entrance to the loft, and as you can see, it's not the biggest in the world, but again, it's for the kids. So there you go. Let me peek through here, and of course, there's going to be some railing right here to keep people and the kids from falling down, and they'll get to crawl over here. But once you're over here, there's a big size for like a bed, a little play area over there, and then on the other side as well. So yeah, once it's there, it's going to be a kind of cool little setup. Maybe have a little screen. I'm not sure. Maybe a screen on this side over here, like a pull-down screen, so you can watch TV or one on a projector, and some fans and whatnot up in here. Or we just kind of thought of ourselves when we were kids, we would love something like that, so we did it. Not much difference over here in the craft room. Nice breeze coming through over here. The windows are open. Not much has changed. If you made it this far, please go back and watch other videos, and we discussed that this is the craft room for my wife. And right here is the half bath, and that's coming along as well. The toilet units are already downstairs waiting to be installed. The roof to the laundry room. And our backyard is looking much nicer now. Let me go ahead and make it up downstairs. Here, the toilet is coming along. The other day they installed, obviously this is going to still be more brace right there, but there's going to be a sink right there to wash your hands and whatnot. And let's see if there's anything different in the laundry room from last coverage. And looks still pretty much about the same. Shikkui should be coming up soon. A little bit more sheetrock on this side to be installed. All right, well. All right, so the wood floor is already in place, just that you can't see it because it's all covered up right now with all this cardboard paper. But I think once they finish the Shikkui, the cardboard is lifted, it's gonna come to life. It's really cool how he did the woodwork right there, kind of old style with pegs, and each of them have the same all the way down. Really impressed with the quality of the work, the materials used. I think it's going to look really, really nice once it's done. I'm trying to figure out how to make it outside without bothering these guys. The good thing about these huge windows that you could just step right out of every single one of them. So earlier today, the gentleman that was doing the concrete work on this was working on it. It was really cool watching him meticulously doing his work. And this is the laundry room again. Yeah, really liking it. All right, folks. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please hit subscribe, share, like, and all of that, and continue watching. We are almost done with our renovation here. However, we will always continue doing some improving on the house here on the man cave, throughout the yard and everything. So there's still a lot much more to come. So yeah, thanks for watching, and please stay tuned. Thanks. Bye.